time for a thick girl to go on a nature hike. And this time, we went to KingFisher Trail.
KingFisher Trail and Recreational Area, located in Hardyville, South Carolina.
Altogether, this is a 7.1-mile hike and is considered to be relatively easy. First, I would like to say this location was kind of difficult to find. There's a lot of people that got lost and confused, but if you put it on the map and go exactly where it says, you'll be able to find it. It's just kind of hiding back there in the woods, which is a great thing for us, right? As soon as you come in, you see a wonderful view of Kingfisher Pond, which is a must-see, but we was there for the trail. This time we had a slightly bigger crew that was all bug sprayed down and ready to go. And the thing I really like about this trail is that it had 3 different sections: a woodsy area, a swampy area, and then a nice plain. So it was like you was hiking 3 trails at once. Always have your stick. After sticking DJ up front again and finding the necessary preparations, this group was ready to go.
And then 2 pillows.
Oh, this is nice. Photo. There was lots of interesting things to see, but my favorite thing about this hike was getting to spend time with my oldest son. We was all kind of taken back by how many bugs was out there that day. But the scenery was well worth it.
From the spiders. I heard you over there. You got
Making a wonderful view for Savannah, Georgia's group 3rd hiking trip.